Starting an LLC in Indiana is a great way to separate your personal assets from your business and set up your company the right way. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps so you know exactly what to do. Step 1 is choosing a name for your LLC. The name has to be unique and not already taken by another business in Indiana. You can check this using the Indiana Secretary of State's business search tool. Make sure your name ends with LLC or Limited Liability Company. Once you've got your name, the next step is filing the Articles of Organization. In Indiana, you can file online or by mail through the Secretary of State. The fee is $95 if you file online and $100 if you file by paper. This is the document that legally forms your LLC. After that, it's smart to create an operating agreement. Indiana doesn't require one, but having it in place helps define how your LLC will run and how ownership or responsibilities are divided. Next, apply for an EIN from the IRS. It's free and quick to get online, and you'll need it for taxes, opening a business bank account, or hiring employees. Finally, keep in mind that Indiana requires a biennial report, also called a business entity report. You'll need to file it every 2 years, and the fee is $31 online or $50 by mail. And that's it. If this breakdown helped you understand how to start an LLC in Indiana, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more straightforward business tips.